Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how can we extend Windows laptop battery life in just one click. Energy recommendation is the feature of Windows 11. It is introduced in Windows 11 version 24H2. This feature provides personalized suggestions to optimize battery usage and potentially extend battery life on laptop. The energy recommendations are found within the power and battery settings in Windows 11. This feature analyzes your device's energy usage patterns and suggests adjustment to settings like screen brightness, sleep timers, and other power saving options to optimize battery life. Let's see how can you longer battery life in just one click. Right click on the start menu and select settings. In settings, go to system tab, and in system tab go to power and battery settings. Once you open power and battery settings, there is option energy recommendation in the top. Select the energy recommendation option, and here we find some suggestions that are given by Windows for save energy and reduce carbon footprint. By applying these suggestions, we can maximize our laptop's battery life and also optimize power of laptop. So there are two ways to apply these settings. You can just go one by one and click on the apply button, and if you want to apply all the settings at once, just click on the apply all button, and this will apply all the settings that save your energy and reduce carbon footprint. And this is how you can maximize your battery life. So have you done this? Let me know in the comment, and like the video and subscribe my channel.